Mesh dynamic networking for up to 16 people. While the device is turned on, press and hold the mesh button for 2 seconds.
Create the network, channel 1.
For the FX Plus devices, also press and hold the mesh button for 2 seconds.
Join the network, channel 1. 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 Join the network, channel 1.
Then mesh interconnection is complete and you can begin your intercom communication. Block network access. Allow network access. For the FX Plus within the network, if you press the mesh button once,
participation is prohibited.
Then no other devices can join the network. But if you press the mesh button again once,
admission is allowed.
Then other devices can join the network. In mic grab mode with multiple users online, up to 4 people can speak simultaneously. The leader's microphone channel 1 remains active, while microphones number 2, 3, and 4 can be used interchangeably. Based on their speaking speed, users gain access to the microphone, and the fastest speaker gains control. But those who do not grab the chance have to wait, and will be muted. Only when someone on microphones number 2, 3, or 4 finishes speaking can another user speak. Channel switching. After enabling mesh intercom, by double-clicking the volume up or volume down button, you can freely switch between 5 channels.
Channel 2. Channel 1.
Microphone on or off. After enabling mesh intercom, by simultaneously pressing the mesh button and the volume down button.
Microphone off.
You can query channel number and battery level. After enabling mesh intercom, by double-clicking the mesh button, you can query the current channel number and remaining battery level.
Channel 1, battery full.